Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty is currently all over the internet due to the ongoing case of Raj Kundra. But recently, Shilpa Shetty's mother has managed to grab all the eyeballs with her doings. Well, as per the reports, Shilpa Shetty's mother Sunanda Shetty has recently filed a complaint of cheating. Well, before you make any further assumptions, let us clear all the air for you. Sunanda Shetty has not filed a cheating case against her son-in-law Raj Kundra. Shilpa Shetty's mother has filed the case of cheating against a person named Sudhakar Ghare. The person has sold Shilpa Shetty's mother fake papers of land and has done fraud. As per the complaints, the accused, with the help of fake papers, sold the land to Shilpa Shetty's mother. Sunanda Shetty has paid more than 1.6 crores for the land, but later came to know that the papers were fake. Which is why Shilpa Shetty's mother has now filed a complaint against the person for fraud. Mumbai police has revealed that the case has been filed against Sudhakar Ghare under multiple sections of Indian Penal Code. The details of this case are yet to be out in media. Netizens are asking several questions about this case. Some users have asked that why did Sunanda Shetty choose a time to file the complaint? Is Sunanda Shetty trying to divert the limelight of media from her son-in-law's case towards her? Well, the answer of these questions are still unknown as Sunanda Shetty has not given any official statement yet. On the other hand, problems are increasing day by day for Sunanda Shetty's daughter Shilpa and son-in-law Raj. Court has denied the bail plea and Raj is currently under judicial custody. High Court will hear his bail plea soon.